Today, I'm working on a 2022 Jeep Compass. The vehicle is currently being worked on and does not have the front bumper on. When I try to go and start the car with the key fob inside the vehicle, the engine does not start. What we have to do here is throw the front bumper back on the car and connect the bumper wiring to the car, or we have to take the front bumper wiring off of the front bumper and connect that to the vehicle. Either way you want to do it, the choice is yours. A Jeep Compass will not start unless the front bumper wiring is connected to the vehicle. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for more Jeep Compass tutorial videos. Thanks for watching Auto DIY.